This yarn is already treated. It is definitely 100% cashmere with a count of 3,250, which means approximately 325 meters per 100 grams. The cones are approximately 230 grams, and it is already treated, already fulled, and ready for use. It is in stock at the super discounted yarn fair. And there is still a little left, not much, and I would recommend taking advantage of it because it is the only pre-treated yarn we have on our website. This special yarn is designed for ease of use and extra durability, making it a top choice for many projects. It is a very beautiful yarn, generally worked with knitting needles size 4, 5, depending on what you need to do, the stitch, the type of work, the hand, and so on. However, in fact, it can be worked immediately and actually no treatment is needed. Indeed.